Today we are shopping for the Women and Children's Shelter. We're going to be filling up a basket of toys for the kids. We're all super excited about it.
Yeah.
It's going to be great.
All right, get a cart, Simon. All right. Well, let's go find the toys together. Yeah, little soft stuff. Wonderful. Rock and rolling. Oh, yeah, Ben's getting it. Look at Andrew going for it. Dylan's still here. Oh my god, you're getting creative and I absolutely love it. Stuff in the cart here.
So far, I think I picked most of them are girl toys because I got 3 girls at home, so that tells you why.
So.
Superman. Because
Yeah, some Aquaman in there. I like the reorganizing of things over here. The struggle of stuffing the cart. Yes.
So we have a total of 5 carts. As you can see, every one of these carts is stacked, especially this one. My favorite toy that I got is the little Strider bike. So it's a balance bike, and it teaches the little ones how to ride a bike.
My favorite toy I've gotten is this guy right here. Reminds me of one I got when I was a kid, and it was a lot of fun. Had a lot of fun until I broke it, so hopefully another kid can have that fun too.
I'm a big nerd. I love card games, and I know that someone is going to love Pokemon cards. So, my favorite toy will be the Nerf gun and basketball, anything that has to do with sports, pretty much.
I mean, you can't go wrong with the Elmo. It's the OG of growing up, so favorite right here.
All right, guys. Well, let's go to checkout. Andrew, your cart I think is the most impressive of everybody else. How do you feel so far right now with how wonderful your cart looks?
I feel like a lot of kids are gonna have a lot of fun now.
See, some little girl's gonna flip when she sees it. How cool is this? I want one. All right, there we are. Wow.
Oh, we got 2 Nerf guns.
Okay.
Finishing up our last cart.
All of those over there.
So, Dylan, how does it feel to have the highest total for the
So
donation?
awesome. I love it.
Let's go. Let's go fill the van. Alright, we are stuffing the van.
Yes, huge success. So many toys for these guys. Got everything across the map. We got bikes, toys. It's pretty exciting. Yeah, I love it.
And we're still going.
Okay, so we're all done shopping, and we got our van filled, and we're gonna deliver it on Friday to the children. Got so many toys, so many outfits for them to play in. No, it's going to be really exciting, and we're going to do that on Friday. Thank you for supporting Express Plumbing, Heating, and Air. It's been great.